about to ride the Yamaha VMAX for the first time. So it'll be... Oh my god, the throttle's so heavy. Oh my god, this thing. Oh, you sit really with your knees up. That's what he was saying. Man. Oh my god, this throttle is so heavy. Whoa, boy. Oh man. Shifting. Oh, this bike is so... The ergonomics are so different. It's like a... I can't see anything out of the mirrors. Jesus. 25 miles an hour. Oh man, this thing, it is like a hot rod of a bike. Man, it feels like a hot rod. Shifting, also like the way you sit, that's the part that's really different. But I mean, it feels like it's a hot rod. You feel that massive engine underneath you. This is, of course, it's a V4. Oh my god, and it sounds great. I think the sitting position is very weird on this bike, but it doesn't feel uncomfortable. I also heard that the range on this is very limited because it's not really meant to be a touring bike or anything like that, or adventure bike, or even a commuter. This is more like you want to ride down the boulevard for a very short distance. I think that's how it feels to me. Whoa. The throttle is just so difficult to pull. And I think it's because Alex, I'll put in the link below his YouTube channel. He's been fixing this bike up. So temperature is there. You have the RPMs. So odd that the RPMs are at the bottom. I guess you're just meant to concentrate on the speedometer. This bike only has 12,000 miles, by the way. Right now I'm in 5th gear. Shifting is also, it's got like very short throws. And I can't really feel that V boost. I'm not sure what I'm looking at, really. Man, yeah, the throttle. I don't know if it's stuck or something. It's really tough on this.
Did you feel the V boost yet?
No, not yet.
First and second, try the brake.
Okay. Alright, I want to see if I can test out the V boost. I'm in 2nd gear. Oh yeah. This thing. Oh my god. It's like a truck. It's like a V8 truck. Oh my god. It's a crazy amount of power this thing has got. And this is a fun bike to ride. I don't know what Clay was talking about. He was, yeah, the seating position is not great, but when it comes to fun, oh my god, this thing is fun. I believe this is a 2002 as well. 4,000 RPMs. This thing just sounds really good. Man, He had a VMAX. Well, definitely not a commuter. Definitely not a sport bike rider. Man, it's so weird. This is a bike unlike any other bike. You know, I've kind of known it as one of those straight line sort of bikes, but you know, it goes around corners fairly well. I haven't really pushed it, but that's wicked. I don't know how else to describe it. It's like diabolical. Compare this V4 to the ST1300. Man, the ST1300 is just so sedate compared to this motor. I'm telling you, man, you know, there's some bikes that you get, they're rational bikes. They're bikes meant for getting to work, not calling the attention of a cop. And then there's bikes like this that don't seem to have any reasonable choice for motorcyclists. You know, like you can't really, it's not a commuter, it's not a sport bike. It's like for a guy who likes to drag race, which is, man, this is a crazy bike, man.
Give me a second gear.
All right. Oh, cop. K-car. Whatever, you know, this bike just feels so good. Whatever Yamaha has been doing with the sound, you know, Yamaha, the logo is the tuning forks. And man, even the Super Tenere sounded amazing. And then you hop on that Versys, you go like, oh, what? What is this? This is a machine. This has got tons of character. What is the big deal with the Yamaha VMAX, they say? I don't know what category this bike belongs. It is kind of like a muscle car bike. I think that's really how you would maybe label it. Yamaha has always made great sounding bikes, and this is one of them. Man, it just sounds amazing. Oh my God. Oh my Lord. Oh man, this bike just feels like it's going like 1,000 miles an hour. Oh boy. Jesus Christ. This has got to wear out tires really quickly. Suspension is not great. Coupled with the windscreen that's missing, you're just getting all of this wind on your face, pushing you back. I mean, this is a raw experience. This is a really raw experience, guys. Oh boy. Crazy bike. A stop sign. This bike laughs at stop signs.
You can feel the boost.
Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.